Today, we're going to be adjusting the red stock driven clutch spring on the Murray Kilowatt. You'll have to stay tuned to see what happens. First off, nut. I think it's supposed to be a lock nut, but that's not what I have on mine, so cool. Then the washer. Next, we'll get the ring clip. Gonna push it off of there. Now, that's spring loaded. I think it'll come off, so I need to be prepared for that. I think that'll hold just fine. Yeah, we're working with the minimum amount of space here. There we go. I'm missing a hole. This hole for my application. You got it?
Yep.
Boom. After adjusting the red driven clutch spring, I can tell you there's not much of a difference. We're gonna have to get a green one because I'm not getting the torque I'd like. Keep watching and you can see how it came out for yourself. So I may or may not have broken a tooth or two on the Kilowatt steering box. I have intermittent left steering problems. Well, that's not really gonna help steering left. If you can't steer left, you're not really going half the places you want to go, and we can't have that. It's gonna take some work to get it fixed, but it's gonna get done, and you're gonna have to stay tuned to see it. Little damage assessment. Oh, that's not good. If you'd like to see anything in particular with one of my builds, go ahead, drop me a comment in the comment section, and I'll get back to you. There's actually more like 4 broken teeth. Time to get a welder and get this thing built a little bit better than it is. Stay tuned and you can see how the progress comes along. If you like the Murray Kilowatt, go ahead, give me a like, and if you like my mini bike, there's going to be some upcoming stuff on that too as well.
Boy, you know I push the gas.